In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix "We are sorry, something has gone wrong. Let's try letter error on Revolut mobile bank app." If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. If you are experiencing this error, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. First, go back and search for your app through Google Play Store or App Store and open it and see if we have any update. Update your app to the latest version to fix this. In most cases, this should be able to fix your problem. However, if you still encounter the same problem after updating your app, then you want to troubleshoot your Revolut app. To troubleshoot your app, go to settings on your phone, and from settings, scroll down to apps. This is the apps option, and from apps, go to manage apps or all apps. Now, if I tap on this will list all the apps I have on my phone. From the list, search for Revolute, and now if I tap on it, here we are on Revolut app info page. First, go to for stop and OK to stop any background activities that might be causing this issue. Then go to clear data, tap on it and choose clear cache and OK, and finally clear all data. Then restart your smartphone and go open your Revolut app, and now this mobile banking app should be up and running. You will need to sign in afresh because you'll be logged out. Now, in most cases, this should be able to fix your problem. However, if you still have the same issue, then check and see if you have any VPN app turned on your phone. Remove it or turn it off to see if this works. This also applies to if you are using any security app that you recently installed. However, if none of the above works, then most likely Revolut mobile bank app might have experienced internal server error. For that, you need to try after some few minutes, and now if you open your Revolut app and log in, everything should be working perfectly without any issue. So let me know which of this was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.